Assalamu alaikum everybody. Rabbi Shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. It gives me an immense pleasure, friends, to stand before you and talk in the session 10 of our Valorators. The topic given to us is talk about your passion and how it has helped grow as an individual. This is a very interesting topic. And when I first got to know about this topic, I started thinking, and when I look back beyond, and what I found is, okay, what does passion really mean to me? And it was clashing with my hobbies, it was clashing with my thoughts, and later on I realized that yes, passion is something which is driving us. It's a driving force within us, which will help you go that extra mile. Right from the childhood, I've always been passionate about education. The main aim was to get a good grade in school, to get a good rank, and then just impress my parents. And when my parents felt happy about it, I used to feel that yes, I've done my job. So what I felt is, getting a good rank in school, is that passionate enough to go ahead in your education, to go ahead in your life? Probably not. There's something, that external force, that should drive you and make sure that you're gonna emerge as a national, on a larger scale, okay, you're gonna emerge as a leader with a good vision. As one of the great thinkers said that the greatest the greatest thought or greatest idea of a great leader would be to lead a visionary, to lead a good vision, and to make sure that if you have a vision, only then you're going to get success in your life. So what I would think is, once I finished my education, I found that yes, now to get a good job, I need to be passionate enough. So I was in search of that passion, and finally I found that getting a good degree is not good enough again. Getting a good degree would just earn my bread and butter for me. But eventually, I need to have something that would make me feel happy in my life. And I found that community development is something that would really passionate me. All these years, I have actually seen poverty. I have actually seen my siblings suffering, myself suffering a lot. But what I felt is, yes, the kind of suffer I was going through, there are a lot of my fellow Muslim brethren who are actually going through the same place. Just by helping them, by paying attention to their problems, maybe I can get a smile on their face. So that helped me a lot, and I started getting involved in a lot of social activities. Due to those social activities, I used to get some extra satisfaction in my life as well. It is not just earning in a software company or working in a software company is enough for me. So, friends, for everybody to understand what passion really means, passion really means that to do something, if you're willing to do something, or if you're going an extra mile, or if you're doing it for free, or if you're paying more to get it done, that means you're actually getting passionate enough to do that job. As a great saying goes, that to fulfill your vision, okay, to fulfill your vision, one should be passionate enough, and a great leader would fulfill his vision by passion and not by position. So one should seriously understand that whatever degrees we are earning or whatever jobs we are doing, they are not enough to fulfill the actual meaning of our life. We need to do that's something extra. That's something a unique thing, okay, that will actually help you gain something in your life. Thank you so much for giving me this chance.